You didn't just lose a job. You lost the story you told yourself every morning. If I show up, if I work hard, a paycheck will be there. That story just died. And right now it feels like the ground vanished beneath your feet. Bills are stacking. The fridge is getting emptier. And we regret to inform you. Email lands like another punch in the stomach. But here's what almost nobody will tell you, because they're too busy selling you another resume template or another dead-end certification. You don't need another job. You don't need to beg some HR gatekeeper for mercy. You don't even need to start a traditional company with offices and overhead and prayers. You only need one thing: control over your own income. An income that shows up whether a boss feels like keeping you or not. An income that grows when you decide to grow it, not when they decide to give you a 2.7% raise. That's exactly what network marketing, done the right way in 2025, delivers. Not the tired 1990s version your cousin tried and failed at. The new model, digital, global, automated, and exploding right now while millions are being pushed out of corporate life and looking for the exact same lifeline you are. I'm going to give you free the same system that's quietly paying 6 and 7 figures to regular people who were in your exact chair 6 to 18 months ago. No hype, no get rich quick. Just a proven roadmap that turns your phone, your relationships, and your story into an asset that pays you month after month whether you clock in or not. Click below right now and claim your free training. It's 100% online. Takes less than an hour to go through the first module. And by the end of it you'll know, with certainty, whether this is your way out or not. But understand this: every day you wait is a day someone else, someone who felt exactly like you feel right now, takes the spot that could have been yours. The opportunity isn't going anywhere, but the best positions, the easiest growth, the fastest momentum, those fill up first. Don't let fear make this decision for you. Take back control. Click below. Start tonight. Your family is counting on the version of you who's about to stand up and do whatever it takes. Be that person. I'll see you inside.